Under the umbrella of Iwagi is Chery Motors. Now, if you were fortunate enough to be at this year's Manila International Auto Show, you'd have seen that they launched this car, the Chery Tiggo Cross. It's a subcompact crossover with what seems to be a lot of potential. It's on struts. I like it. Underneath is a naturally aspirated 1.5-liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine that is mated to a 9-speed CVT that produces 114 horses and 141 Newton-meters of torque. Struts, guys, struts. For the little people. For the little people. Woohoo! You start off with a diamond accent front grille on a front clip that is now equipped with a full set of LEDs up front, and at the back, you've got a tiger stripe through-type LED taillight. The disc brakes are housed behind 17-inch wheels wrapped in 60 series tires that sit above 190 millimeters of ground clearance. Pop open the rear and it's 340 liters with the seats up, 1,100 liters with the second row folded. Rear passenger space, pretty good. That's my normal driving position. Still have enough space to move my legs around. Lots of, knee room. Headroom is great too, man. Look at that. That's pretty amazing. Even a 6-footer, I think, would sit back here. I don't know about his legs though. Passenger in the middle, not a problem because as you can see here, there's barely a tunnel in the center. So you can fit one person here. Unfortunately, if that one person sits here, he'd be the only one to be able to enjoy the one and only vent that you have in the center. But still, it's a vent nonetheless to cool off the rear passengers, which is good. Underneath that, of course, is one USB charging point in the form of a Type A. You also have a center armrest with 2 cup holders. And that's really all about it for the rear seats. I would like to get out of the car right now and move to the front seats, but it's too darn hot. And Earl, let's just do magic. Let's all of a sudden make it I'm in the front seats. It worked. The main talking points in here would be the dual 10.25-inch screens that you have directly in front of you. One as your instrument cluster and one obviously as your infotainment. Also, take note that this vehicle has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capabilities. And it's something that Jack will love because it has buttons immediately for your audio, and the camera fell, and also a panel dedicated for just your air controls. Although it's piano black, we'll save that for our review. We have a steering wheel that feels good to the touch. Nice buttons on the steering wheel. I'm going to take this camera and say, look, nice buttons on the steering wheel. Slower, sorry. Nice buttons on the steering. Did you mean my talking or the camera? Camera. Okay. A nice place for your phone and a nice deep center armrest or a center console. What I love also is check out the keys. Aren't they a trip? They're so quaint. This one obviously would be your secondary key. This is your primary key and it's made out of metal.
Looks like an iPod.
Right? Like a first generation iPod mini. Anyway, mini? Nano? Mini? Nano. Anyway, that will do it for the walk around, but I'm sure that you're also interested in knowing the price of this car. I don't have exact prices, but would you believe me if I told you sub 1 million? We cannot be 100% sure about what I said, which is sub 1 million Philippine pesos. But we have quite a good inkling and feeling about it. The thing is that Chery will not reveal the price of this vehicle until it's launched this time around at the Manila International Auto Show. Which, if you're there, great. If not, well then lucky for you, through the magic of, I don't know, our editors back in the office, we will make sure to post the prices in the comments down below. If, however, this car is something that is very, very interesting to you, you can go ahead and download the AutoDeal app or check out our website, AutoDeal.com.ph, to find out all the information, specs, and prices, and colors, and whatnot of this car right at your fingertips. Folks, thanks for watching. Take care. Stay safe. We'll see you soon.